Oh gosh, here you go, Dad. What's your first thoughts of Roman?
First thought, it was like, who's this dude? If he hurts my little girl, I'll choke him to death or something, you know?
What's your body count?
Body count.
We got some questions rolling in, Dad. Are you ready?
I guess.
Should I do Instagram or Facebook first? We'll do Facebook first. I feel like everyone that's on my Facebook is legit. No spam questions on Facebook. Okay, this is a great first one.
These are the comments?
Yeah, these are questions. So I posted a picture of us and said, hey, we're doing a Q&A. What do you want to know? Scott wants to know, are you guys feeling more comfortable on camera now? You're doing so much better than the first video. And I feel like, for me, I've been on camera for what?
Years and
14 years, and
Yeah.
I'm still getting better every video. How's the truck going, and do you have the seats about ready to go and drive in it?
No.
Nothing inside has been done. The engine still needs work. Finishing up the brakes. And we'll go back to the engine and the gas, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll take her out whether we have a seat or not. He's like, no, you have to have a seat.
It's a slow process.
This is video 12 right now that we're filming. Filmed 11 this morning. Now we're on number 12. Are you painting the truck or getting someone else to do it? Are we gonna paint it at all?
I think everybody wants it
Just like that? How do you want it?
I think we need to get that clear stuff and just put on it. Make it shiny.
I like the clear stuff,
Rusty
but
but shiny.
it would look cool as one color. If we did
I've
all
got-
black or something.
I've got this paint. I bought the paint to paint this.
Oh.
Whether it's still any good or not, it hasn't been mixed up or anything, so it could be.
Can you just paint over the rust like that?
You can, but I know some of the comments, everybody said restore it completely. I'd say
Yeah,
we'll
we
be 2
ain't,
more years doing that.
we ain't doing it. We ain't doing that. I think
But-
maybe eventually if our channel grows so much to where we can hire a mechanic or something, and we can work on it here and there and have some help doing it, but
Yeah.
doing it ourselves to fully restore it, it also costs a freaking ton of money. Looking at the original parts to buy for this, I was just like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What's your next goal in life?
Well, retire early.
Retire early. When do you plan on retiring?
I was planning on maybe working until I'm 65,
And how old are you now?
58.
So early would be in the next 7 years? He's like, yeah, maybe the next year?
Yeah.
The next 2 years?
Yeah.
Next 2 years. Retire in the next 2 years. That's a good goal.
Save enough money.
I don't know if I really have a next life goal. Survive Roman's daily videos.
Yeah.
What is Dad's dream car? Practical and non-practical. Probably a truck, right?
Yeah.
F-150, Super Cab,
F-250.
F-250. Why'd I say
4-door long
150?
bed.
4-door long bed.
Big giant bus truck.
Okay, what color?
Blue.
Blue. Ford
Or
does
green or.
Ford does have some pretty blue colors. Okay, then what's your dream non-practical? Like that would sit in your garage and you wouldn't take it out much.
The old AC Cobra.
Cobra. Okay.
Or a GT40. Or.
I don't even know what these cars are.
They were at the car show.
I saw the Cobra.
That'd be my pick. Take
Okay.
out and run the crap out of it on a Sunday.
All right, now we're going to Instagram. There might be some troll comments on Instagram, Dad. Just
A what?
troll.
Troll.
Do you know what a troll is?
Little midget troll things. That's all. Yeah, the little. What was it? The troll movie or something you guys watched? You were little. That's what I look at.
Oh my
as
gosh, it's so funny because I look at my kids now, like Kane in particular, says words that I have no idea what they mean. But like to you,
You say words I don't know what they mean.
right? I'm like the skibbity. Do you know what skibbity is? Or res? Riz? Res? Me neither. Me neither. Why did you decide to fix trucks with your dad? At the time, Roman wasn't filming very much. Like, okay, I have wanted to start my own channel for years and years. But there was never anything that would interest me enough to start a whole YouTube, to edit full videos, to do like a whole series of something. Until I was just like, man, you know what? The automotive people, it's just so cool and interesting to me. I love it. I'm just like, what could I do around automotive? Like, I don't know how to race car. I don't know how to do any of that. What can I do to where I learn? And I'm like, my dad's a mechanic. Like, I just need to do a channel with him. He has a full junkyard of trucks.
It's a wonder a lot.
Let's just make them run. And I text a couple car guys, and I was just like, what do you think about this channel? They're like, well, it's never been done on your type of level of that. By the way, old trucks are messy. That was the other thing Cletus told me. He said, old trucks are messy, dirty.
Oh yeah.
Compared to like the new cars. And I'm like, well, I don't care to get dirty, so let's do it. And that's what inspired the channel. Oh gosh, here you go, Dad. What's your first thoughts of Roman?
Well, first thought, it was like, who's this dude? If he hurts my little girl, I'll choke him to death or something, you know? It's like,
that's good.
You know, that's a father's emotions or feelings.
It's funny you thought that the first day you saw him. You knew we were instantly attracted to each other.
It was just like, who is this dude? You know? And it's like...
Oh, all right.
But it's been all good ever since.
Yeah, there's lots of what's your dad's first impressions of Roman. Do you still hear that cricket over there?
Yes, I hear it now.
You guys didn't watch the last video. I tried to prank my dad with a cricket, but he didn't hear it. Brawl size. What's your brawl size, Dad?
What? I think they're asking you that question.
What's your dream car to restore?
An old Cougar.
Old Cougar?
67, 69 Cougar.
So if I can find an old 69.
67, 68 was the ones like I had.
Is that what this engine is from?
Mm-hmm.
We'd have to pull the engine off of this thing and put it back in
I got
that.
more. We could build
Okay.
we could build another engine.
Will the channel continue after the truck is done?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We have more project ideas.
Oh yeah. I got quite a few ideas of stuff.
Will you put a supercharger in the truck?
We could. If
Right? That would be cool, right? Once our channel's rolling enough to where we can afford it, then maybe. Family hunting trips. Well, favorite memory as a child. I mean, there's a few, but I feel like my favorite was the first time you ever took me hunting at Grandma's. I sat in a stand by myself for a little bit. He sat in one, climbed down, and we were just standing there, and he's like, shh. And a mom and her baby was walking up towards us, and the baby just came right up and sniffed me.
Mm-hmm.
And then they took off, and I was just like, oh, that was like the coolest moment.
I tried to get you and your sister into hunting, and your stepbrother at the time. You guys were, well, you were little. They were older, about 5 years older, but I took them hunting a couple times, and they were into it for a little bit. But then it was like, the older they got, they were like, meh. I mostly just go by myself. Yeah. I got a real good hunting buddy I go with all the time when I got time.
Yeah.
But then I took you. I was so worried about you. You were little, and it's like, all right, climb up in that tree stand.
I was probably, what, 8?
Yeah.
7, 8?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'll never forget that just baby deer coming right up and sniffing me. And I was looking at you like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's so cute. I just want to grab it. Show your feet. Dad, they want to see your toes.
No. That's ugly.
Brian, why do you like Fords?
My grandfather had Ford trucks, LTDs, Ford cars. So I grew up helping him fix.
Ford lawnmowers, right?
No.
Wasn't the lawnmowers Ford?
Mm-mm.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, he had LTDs and Ford pickups. And I helped him work on them here and there a little bit when I was growing up. And my dad always had Ford cars, Ford Pinto. That was the first car I learned to drive. It was a Ford 76 Ford Pinto station wagon with a 4-speed on the floor.
Oh, dang.
Stick shift. My boots were so big, the clutch and the brake pedal, I could push them at the same time. So my dad always had Fords, my grandpa, so I always just kind of got into Fords. Bought my first car with my dad was the Cougar.
How would you rate Brittany's behavior when she was a teen?
Not bad.
I wasn't too bad.
No.
I only got
normal teenager stuff. Yeah.
I only got caught at one party.
Yeah.
Caught. I don't know how kids do it nowadays. Parents have their location and everything else. I would have been toast.
So are all these people from all over? Like.
Yeah, that one was about the behavior was from Lithuania.
Wow.
I hope I'm saying that right.
I noticed a lot of comments you guys put on the videos are from all over the place. Which is.
Can y'all do a hot rod truck? I think that's your next truck you want to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a hot rod.
Like a rat rod.
What's the difference between a hot rod and a rat rod?
Well, kind of the same.
Okay.
It just depends on what you want to do. Back in my days, in high school, guys, if you went to a car show, you didn't take nothing rusty. It was always beautiful, shiny, chrome, no rust. But nowadays, people take these rat rods, they throw together and don't paint them, leave the rust on them, and people love it. And so that's kind of what we're probably going to go for.
Please visit the UAE to meet you in Roman. Do you know what the UAE is?
The what?
The UAE.
UAE? Where's that?
Roman and I have been there.
Oh, yeah, you guys went.
Dad, do you even have a passport?
Mm-mm.
You've never been out of the United States?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, yeah, Canada.
How?
Niagara Falls is about it.
How if you don't have your passport?
You didn't have to have one back.
Oh, dang. Yeah, it's like Dubai, Abu Dhabi. I hope I'm saying that right. Please don't word me. Yeah, that's where Roman and I did we did a full-length movie there. Tallest building in the world's there.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. I would love to go back. We had gotten invited back.
That's where you ran dune buggies out in the sand at night. No, that'd be fun.
That would be so fun. We had got invited back from a brand or something, but it was right after COVID. You had to be vaccinated. You had it was like all these things, and we're just like, we would love to come, but sorry, not interested. Eventually we will. Maybe we'll do a video, take my dad there.
That'd be cool.
It's like a 16-hour flight.
You had to tranquilize me and just.
Yeah, it's far.
I about have a panic attack going to Hawaii by the time we got there. Or got home.
Hawaii's what? A little under 12.
Seems like twice as long to get back because of the time change.
Yeah. What's the next build?
I think it'd be the Willys truck.
Okay.
We'll make it into a rat rod.
I really want to do the Bronco.
Bronco.
The Bronco that's sitting out there?
Well, I cut the whole half of the back of it off. It's only the front door.
So we'd have to find a Bronco.
Yeah, that one there is pretty much
scrap metal. Yeah.
Well, the frame might be pretty good.
We'd have to get a back cab of a Bronco. I don't know. Willys truck.
I took the torch and just. No, my plan for that was make a crane on the back, drag logs out of the woods with it.
Oh.
Stuff like that.
Okay. So between the Bronco crane and a Willys truck.
I'd say the Willys truck will be a big project.
That'll be the next one. All right, we'll do a couple more. When is the clutch and transmission going in?
In this?
Yeah.
It's in it.
It's already in there.
A couple pieces to hook up the clutch pedal. Should work.
How many vehicles have you two owned?
Us?
Too many to count?
Oh, yeah. I scrapped a lot of these trucks. Cars, Cougars, Mustangs, Falcons.
What's your body count?
Body count?
Do you know what that is?
What do you mean?
All right, we'll just get past that one.
My body count? One. One body.
How many times have you been married? It's probably more than one.
2.
Next.
2.
How many siblings do you have?
2.
Brother and a sister.
Brother and a sister.
And I have a sister. I used to have a stepsister and a stepbrother.
Yeah.
Actually, I had a stepbrother before that too. All right, we're really getting off topic here. There's a lot of questions. When are you gonna finish the truck?
When?
2027.
2 months later.
Right? Do you know what that's from? Or just from me saying it?
Yeah, it's a thing that...
What cartoon's it from?
I don't know.
It's from SpongeBob! You never watched SpongeBob.
Oh, well, when you guys were little. Is that what that's from?
It's from SpongeBob, but I didn't watch SpongeBob until I was with Roman and Noah, and Roman would always watch SpongeBob. I'm like, this is the dumbest crap ever.
Well, I know, like Colin Carson.
Yeah, they would always watch SpongeBob. What's your favorite dog breed?
The Husky. Flashy.
Yeah. Flashy. How's Flashy?
Flashy's good, fat and happy.
Will you fix the U-Haul truck?
Yeah, we can. I think we ought to take the box off of it, stretch it out, and make a car hauler.
Oh, that'd be cool.
We could
take it to events.
Yeah, we put a flatbed on it to haul the trucks or cars on.
All right, this is the last question, guys. What's the best Ford ever made?
With the 8N Ford tractor.
Okay.
We got one up at our farm, and my brother's.
That's what we have up there. So I'm not dumb that it was a Ford tractor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm recovering myself here.
Ford.
But that's not what Grandpa had.
Yeah, the one up there at Mom's.
So it was a Ford tractor.
We didn't sell them. It was just the big one up there.
Oh, he had one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really hot out here.
Yeah, we're about ready to go hit the pool.
Yeah, I still have to go film a video with Roman. There's our cricket.
I heard it. I heard it.
Guys, thanks so much for all the questions you sent in. Thanks for all the love you give us each week. We see it, truly see it, and appreciate it so much.
Thanks for all the comments.
Yeah, Dad loves the comments.
Yeah, I try to keep up with all the comments you guys have put in there. If it's just a heart or, a whole paragraph. I love it.
All right, guys. We love you. See you next time.
Bye.